Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe Preferred, coming in this nice dark blue coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 2.5-liter i4 engine and has all-wheel drive capabilities. Taking a look at the back here, we do have a nice tow hitch, rear park sensing, of course that nice backup camera right there. We also have roof rails for all your cargo necessities, these nice black fenders of course, and moving to the front, we do have that nice license plate bracket and that nice Hyundai grille. This vehicle also comes with a remote start, so no need to go outside in the winter to heat up your vehicle. Taking a look in the cargo area here, we can see this vehicle does have a lot of space, which is always nice. And of course we do have different storage compartments. And if you need more, you can always fold down that middle row. We do have storage cubbies there, little hooks all around the back, and more storage underneath. And a nice 12-volt outlet right there. Taking a look in the interior now, we can see this vehicle comfortably seats up to 5 pretty nicely. We do have this nice dark gray cloth interior with textured cloth in the middle here. And of course, if you don't need that extra person, you can always pull this out for 2 cup holders and some arm space. We do have these little outlets for more comfortable leg room. You have your own fan and 2 USBs back here, which is always nice. Plenty door space as well. We do have a nice textured speaker right here, which is pretty cool. And taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see the seats are powered with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space again with the same textured speaker. You have your lights, lane keep, traction control, your parking brakes right there. And moving over here, you do have a fair bit of storage with a 12-volt outlet and a nice, USB right there. And taking a look on taking a look while the vehicle's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 13,838 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. We have paddle shifters as well. You do have your cruise control settings there, phone, media control, voice, mode, so on and so forth. And looking at your little screen up here, you do get drive info, since refueling, cumulative info, auto stop, auto start, kilometers per hour, and so on and so forth. And looking over here, we do have this nice carbon fiber look to this centerpiece here. And this does close, and it also opens, providing you with another cup holder, USB of course, nice little slot there with another cup holder right there. We do have 2 heated front seats. Your gear shifts are here with your 4 little buttons. Auto stop, auto start, auto hold, your heated steering wheel of course, downhill descent, park sensing, your rear view camera. You do have your drive modes right here with terrain such as sand, mud, snow, comfort, off-road, so on and so forth. You do have your climate controls right here, which are pretty nice, plus dual climate. You have your volume and media controls there for your volume. We do have a nice leather-wrapped center console that opens automatically with you just hitting that button, providing you with a fair bit of storage, this being able to come out. And of course you do have a nice little storage cubby here as well, and storage in the glove box, which is pretty nifty. You have your roadside assistance right there, and SOS, and your inner lights right there. Now for your infotainment system, it is a pretty cool looking system, I have to say. With you being able to toggle with it going back and forth for your settings, you do have map, navigation, phone, projection. You can do a voice memo. You can control your climate from here as well, such as active wash fluid, automatic, and so on and so forth. You have valet mode, quiet mode, which, when quiet is selected, radio will only play in the front rather than the back, so no need to wake up your child. Settings, you have blue link, notification, and user's manual, so on and so forth. And what's cool about this, you can have customary profiles depending on who's driving, of course. such as name, profile image. You can connect your Blue Lake account there and delete profile, so on and so forth, or you can add profiles. I think you can have up to 3, which is pretty cool. Display off, home icons, so on and so forth, and you have navigation on your right hand screen here, if it wants to, which looks like this, and since our media is off, it'll pop up there. You have home, navigation, compass, you can add, which is pretty cool. You have HD traffic alert, and you can hit your settings from here as well, such as info, language, keyboard, media output, and so on and so forth. The stock number for this vehicle is KF24763A, and if interested, head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.